Jesse, let us begin with graph algorithms.
Sure, Harry.
What is Dijkstra's algorithm?
Dijkstra's algorithm is a graph search algorithm used to find the shortest path from a starting node to all other nodes in a weighted graph. This algorithm utilizes a priority queue to explore the nodes with the least cumulative weight first. It's widely used in routing and navigation. However, it cannot handle graphs with negative weight edges.
Key concepts here are shortest path algorithms, Dijkstra's algorithm. Discuss its significance and limitations. Common mistakes candidates make here are not mentioning its limitations with negative weights. What are the differences between BFS and DFS?
Breadth first search BFS explores nodes layer by layer using a queue, while depth first search DFS explores as far down a branch as possible before backtracking, typically using a stack. BFS is great for finding the shortest path, whereas DFS is useful for problems like topological sorting. However, BFS requires more memory for large graphs compared to DFS.
Key concepts here are graph traversal, BFS, DFS. Compare their use cases effectively. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to explain stack versus queue usage. What is a minimum spanning tree MST?
A minimum spanning tree is a subset of edges in a weighted graph that connects all vertices without cycles and with the minimum possible total edge weight. Algorithms like Kruskal's and Prim's derive MSTs, which are vital for network design, ensuring cost efficiency in connecting points while avoiding redundancy.
Key concepts here are minimum spanning tree, Kruskal's algorithm, Green's algorithm. Highlight real-world applications. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting to mention tree properties. What is the Bellman-Ford algorithm?
The Bellman-Ford algorithm calculates the shortest paths from a single source vertex to all other vertices in a weighted graph, accommodating negative edge weights. It does so through multiple iterations over the edges, which allows it to identify shorter paths by including negative weights. It's especially useful in cases like currency conversion, where costs can vary.
Key concepts here are shortest path with negative weights, Bellman-Ford algorithm, mention its iterative nature and edge cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking its limitation with negative cycles. What is a directed acyclic graph DAG?
A directed acyclic graph DAG is a graph that is directed and contains no cycles, meaning it is impossible to return to a node once left. DAGs are crucial in various applications like scheduling tasks where certain tasks depend on the completion of others, exemplified in project management software.
Key concepts here are DAGs, applications of DAGs, explain its relevance in real-world contexts. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing it with general directed graphs. Implement Dijkstra's algorithm in Python.
To implement Dijkstra's algorithm, we maintain a priority queue and initialize distances to infinity except for the source node. We continuously extract the node with the smallest distance, relax its edges, and update the distances to neighboring nodes. This approach ensures we efficiently find the shortest paths.
Key concepts here are Dijkstra's algorithm implementation. Emphasize priority queue usage. Common mistakes candidates make here are overcomplicating the implementation. Write a function to check if a graph is bipartite.
A bipartite graph can be colored using two colors without two adjacent nodes sharing the same color. We can implement this using BFS, coloring each node as we traverse the graph. If we encounter a node that needs to be colored the same as its neighbor, the graph is not bipartite.
Key concepts here are bipartite graphs, BFS, clarify color assignment during BFS. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring disconnected components. Implement the Floyd-Warshall algorithm.
The Floyd-Warshall algorithm computes the shortest paths between all pairs of nodes in a weighted graph. We'll initialize a distance matrix with edge weights and update this matrix iteratively by checking if a direct route is shorter than going through an intermediate node.
Key concepts here are Floyd-Warshall algorithm, all pairs shortest path. Explain matrix updates clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are incorrect initialization of distances. Determine if a path exists in a graph using DFS.
To determine if a path exists, we use DFS to traverse the graph starting from the source node. If we reach the target node during our traversal, a path exists. We keep track of visited nodes to avoid infinite loops.
Key concepts here are DFS, pathfinding, Highlight traversal mechanics. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to correctly track visited nodes. Find the shortest path using the A algorithm.
The A algorithm is a pathfinding algorithm that uses a combination of actual distance and heuristic estimates to efficiently find the shortest path. We maintain a priority queue and update the cost based on the heuristic function and the actual distance from the starting node.
Key concepts here are A, algorithm, pathfinding, heuristics. Clarify the role of heuristics. Common mistakes candidates make here are choosing ineffective heuristics. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Harry. Ivan.
Subscribe for more expert interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.